Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead, and after my wonderful guest Michael left this morning, I put in a full afternoon. Take a look. So I decided to get a little more gardening done. It's New Year's Eve, the last day of 2021, and you remember my cranberry hibiscus? I took 2 branches and I rooted them. And this still has seed pods developing, but it had roots. So I'm potting both of those up. And I put in 5, I think about 6 or 7 strawberry plants that were still sitting in here. I was having to nurse them all winter, and I'm going, why? Put them in, they're gonna be fine. So I'm doing that real quick. And I put 2 little coneflower and down into the garden bed, pop those in. I mean, I don't know why I waited so long. This just takes so little time. So anyway, I'm gonna get this in before the big storms come tomorrow. We are going to get slammed, and I'll be sure to be reporting that to you. So I'll be coming to you live from Storm Central tomorrow. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Oh, let's have it be a blessed one. Number 2. 3 more. This is elderberry, and it didn't get put in the ground when it should have. This is just catnip, and this is mulberry. I got this at the plant swap and still didn't get it planted. The wind is picking up. This may be it. Just a little pruning in my indoor greenhouse, garage. So good. Wow. Okay, I just wanted to point out that I finally created a cage for this comfrey. I had wrapped things around it. I had bags sitting in there. There was just like no way a cat could comfortably go in there and poop, but that somehow they managed to. So now I've got chicken wire around it. So hopefully I've given it some various nutrients, and hopefully it can get going again. I have to say it looks a lot better. I did some pruning. I, of course, potted some things in the ground, and I ordered some inexpensive clear plastic saucers, so everything has its own saucer, so no sitting in large trays with water, getting bugs and all of that. So got the floor swept, things kind of moved closer together, got some more cat protection. It's not perfect and I'm not done, but it should be good for tonight. Check it out. This needs chicken wire badly, and so do they. They haven't been jumping up on the table. That doesn't mean they won't. What would be nice is just a row of chicken wire all the way around this thing. Hopefully I can squeak through tonight. The cranberry hibiscus looks awesome. I've got it supported, and you can see these seed pods developing. So I want to be sure and get seeds. While all the hostas outside are gone, disintegrated, I've got this one green and producing leaves inside. Plus, remember, I got the new window, and it has a self-locking thing, so you can only open it 2 inches. I feel pretty confident that I can leave that open and the cats are not going to try to get out. I'll close it before I go to bed. But it's so nice. This is New Year's Eve, I think, and the air is so warm, which actually is not good. We're going to have a bad storm tomorrow, I think, but for now it's... Oh, there's one other thing. I got to put those shallots in the ground. Forgot about that. I don't know what I'm going to do about this garlic. I thought it would just grow through the netting, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to stick these in the ground just like I do garlic. About 2 inches down with the point up. Alrighty. That didn't even take 5 minutes. If you remember, this whole thing was just this huge mess, and by doing that this morning, taking the wood away, I was able to stack up the wood and clear off this mess. What I need to do now is vacuum up those leaves so that I don't lose them all together. This thing does not do sticks very well at all, and so I need something much more powerful. In the beginning, when the leaves were new and fresh, you could see the sticks. Now they're exactly the same color. You can't even see a big piece of bark go in there. So all this stuff has a lot of sticks involved, so not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm hanging up my cord for tonight. My back is killing me. So now I am going to sit in my cozy corner. It is so warm. It's going to be really stormy tomorrow, so I am going to sit out while I can, get the last bit of the day light, and maybe even have a cocktail. Thinking about it. Thinking about what I'm going to have for dinner. What's going to be easy to make. But thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much for following me all the days of this year. The last 2 years, I've had the biggest transition in my life. My world just turned upside down, and I am here making the best of what I have. And I hope that 2022 is just a marvelous year for everybody. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you subscribe. Follow my journey here, developing this homestead. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss anything right here. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the new year. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.